regular rice. Have you tried? No, just kidding. Well, guys, thank you for being in our channel again. Thank you for watching these videos. A lot of people have been subscribing lately. We want to do a simple video today. It's just how to make white rice. I mean, for some of you, maybe this is so simple that you don't even want to watch this video. But if you look at the back of rice, hold on one second. The back of rice, they're gonna tell you that you need to add 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. But if you do that, you're gonna have always a mushy rice. So this is how you should do it. I'm gonna use this cup today. It doesn't matter how much amount of rice you put, but you're gonna cook. You use the same amount of rice, the same amount of water. So for this, I'm gonna use the rice maker today. But if you're gonna do it in a pan or anything else, it's gonna be around the same thing. So this cup of water, rice. Now I'm gonna add the same amount of water. In this case, I want to make something more Costa Rican, so I'm going to add some cilantro, chopped cilantro, onions, and bell pepper. So I'm going to add this right here. And I'm going to add the water. This is so simple, guys, but a lot of people don't know this. That you need to add the same amount of water to the same amount of rice. You're gonna mix it a little bit there. Little bit. You're gonna add a little bit of oil. Little bit. And salt. That is another thing that a lot of people don't add salt to their rice. So their rice tastes simple, tastes like nothing. A little bit of rice, salt. I keep going with the rice. So just add a little bit of rice there, guys. You got to be kidding me. Salt. You know what I mean. For my taste, needs a little bit more. I like salt a lot, so there you go.
It's gonna be really salty.
No, it's not a lot. Actually, it has to be a little more saltier, than normal, because when it's cooked, it's not gonna be as salty than when you try the water. So you just cover it, press white rice, and that's it. That's pretty much everything for you. If you do it in the pan, you just cover it and you check it like every so often that it's not getting stuck into the pan, or you gotta put a little more oil when you do it in the pan. But you do the same thing, the same amount of rice, the same amount of water. Don't forget to subscribe. We need to grow this channel. Help us with a comment, with a thumbs up, and please share these videos with other people as well. And I'll see you next time. This is Pura Vida Culture con los Tingos. Bye. Say bye, Mickey.